Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you two ways on how to delete a TikTok story. So the first one is to open your TikTok application first. Okay, now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. That one. And then click on your profile or your story. Okay, now this is the story from your profile picture, or you can just click it here. Okay, so if you have a change of mind and you want to delete a TikTok story from your feed, so you just have to do this. Okay, now just click on the story that you want to delete and then tap on the three dots at the right corner of the screen, so this one here, and then click on delete. Okay, so confirm it. Okay, and then after that, your story will be removed from your profile. So that's how easy it is to delete a TikTok story. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.